Let's take a live look from Maui as President Biden and the First Lady arrive to get a first-hand look at the devastation and loss caused by the deadliest wildfire in a century. Their visit comes as the search for victims continues, with at least 114 people now confirmed dead. The president just arriving there. And many survivors are questioning why they didn't receive a warning. On Face the Nation Sunday, Governor Josh Green criticized the lack of action by a now resigned Maui official.
Do I wish those sirens went off? Of course I do. And I think that the answer that the emergency administrator from Maui who's resigned said was, of course, utterly unsatisfactory to the world.
This morning, the White House said over 1,000 federal responders are on the ground in Maui to help with the recovery. The Biden administration has also approved more than $8 million in assistance.